you? So today I decided to do Gamora cosplay. Okay, not cosplay but makeup. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post something, and let's go. So the first thing I'm doing is covering my brows from glue stick. And now I'm using scar wax to cover them properly. Use Vaseline to smooth it. I'm making cuts that she have on her brows. And for the rest of the cuts, I'm using collodion. I use 3 layers of collodion. Now it's time to paint. I'm using black and green aqua body paint. Use liner pencil to cover your waterline. And now I'm using yellow color under the eyes. And my nose and chin as well. Here I am using black eyeshadow to darken the area I want. For the lips I am using more black and less green paint. And for the eyes, I'm using black and golden eyeshadow. Now I'm filling the cuts from white color. For the hair, I'm using this highlighted hair extension. And we are done. So that's it guys. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and also if you guys have any suggestion, please let me know in the comments. Thank you.